This is the VANoopee globe bowl. It is made of glass. It has an opening that you're able to grab the bulb, change it out, and put a new bulb in. It is flush mount to the ceiling and easy to install. You have a hands-free way of installing and simple clips to place in your power leads. We're going to show you what you get inside the box and how to install. Opening up the box, you're going to get your hardware all included in the top cover with your bracket to install to your junction box. You get the glass bulb, no bulb included. You require E26. Find a location and simply install the bracket. Once your bracket's installed, you have a S-hook that you simply just put onto the bracket and to the globe. Simply press in the leads, close up, put the thumb bolts back on, and you're ready to hook up your light to a dimmer switch, a remote control, a light switch. We have the light already on. You could put this light anywhere imaginable. You could put it in a hallway, a bathroom, a closet, a tall ceiling, a foyer, a business, a residential, anywhere you like. It is a diamond-like shape with little grooves to give you an accent. It is easy to clean on the outside and inside. Please check online for further detail and in the instruction guide of the maximum capacity bulb allowed. I hope you enjoy your VANoopee E26 light fixture, bulb crystal ball. Enjoy your product if this is what you are after.